Hey guys, so we're going to test the Sony ZVE 10, the built-in microphone if you can actually record acoustic guitar and electric guitar for your guitar videos. Let's get to it. Alright, so right now I'm very close to the microphone, 10 inches away, 10 to 12 inches away. So let's try this, acoustic guitar only. I set the volume level to 15 using the built-in microphone. So let's try strumming. Alright, let's try plucking. Okay, so we're testing the Laney LX65R amplifier. And I'm using my Ibanez RG350M, and yeah, just clean sound. Volume level is just below number 2 on the amp. That's the neck pickup. Put it down to the bridge. Back to the neck pickup. That's clean sound. And let's try it with distortion. I'm using a Mooer Black Secret. Now everything is on the level is around 1 o'clock. The distortion is on 12. Filter is on 12, and I'm on vintage settings. Let's turn it on, and let's use the bridge pickup. Let's see what it sounds like. Let's try some neck pickup. Let's change tempo. So okay, stop with that distortion sound. Let's try it with the ukulele now. So this is like 12 inches away from this fret, the 12th fret. Is this the 12th fret of the ukulele? Yes, this is the one. So So I'm not going to do any audio processing with the audios, with the recording, just straight off from the built-in microphone of the Sony ZVE 10. Again, the settings is just around 15 for the built-in mic, and that's about it. I try to be as close as I can with the instruments, with the acoustic instruments. The ukulele was just like 12 inches away or less. The guitar was also even closer, like 10 inches or yeah, around 12 inches away. You can come closer with that. You can get closer if you want to, if you're just recording audio. But so anyway, so that was like the distance, the exact distance from 10 to 12 inches away from the built-in microphone of the Sony ZVE 10. And that's about it. I really think it's really good for musicians because the built-in microphone is, you heard it, and you still have options for an external microphone. And also it has an earphone jack monitor. You can monitor your audio straight from the camera. This way you don't need to take out the SD card from the camera and check the audio levels in the computer. And then if something's wrong, you go back to the camera and then reshoot. That cuts that process. So that's really good for musicians. So I hope this helps you out. Let me know in the comments what you think about the audio and also some of the video here and of the gear here in the studio. There's no acoustic treatment here, just straight off this storage room, just acoustic and yeah, the amplifier. So I'll see you again in the next one. Good luck.